Hello friends, this is the bonus list spelling test for Unit 15. Make sure that you have your name on your paper and that you use your neatest handwriting. I will read the word to you, use it in a sentence, state the word again. After I've given you your 10 words, then I will read to you your 3 dictation sentences. Let's begin. Word number 1, behold. The sunrise was a sight to behold. Behold. Number 2, golden. Her hair was golden in color. Golden. Number 3, scold. We had to scold the children for running in the hall. Scold. Number 4, raincoat. You might need a raincoat this spring. Raincoat. Number 5, throat. Sometimes in the winter we get a sore throat. Throat. Number 6, coldest. It was the coldest morning ever. Coldest. Number 7, older. My sister is older than I am. Older. Number 8, float. Your cell phone will not float in the water. Float. Number 9, oath. Before he takes office, the president takes an oath to abide by the Constitution. Oath. Number 10, rowboat. The kids were in a rowboat on the float trip. Rowboat. That concludes your spelling words. Now let's begin the dictation sentences. I will read the sentence to you once. Be sure to use the pause feature or the rewind feature if you need it. Sentence number 1. Will you fold the red coat? Sentence number 2. The goat will hold the oat. Sentence number 3. The old boat has mold on it. That concludes the spelling words and dictation sentences for Unit 15.